This is Allison from SlideForm. Today I'm faced with a problem. I want to get data from my Airtable account into a slide presentation. The easy way to do this is to use SlideForm to automatically populate your slides with data from Airtable or any of our supported data sources. So for this example, I have data in Airtable, a simple table that shows you all of the properties that I'm managing and the amount of rental income that they've generated. This example would be great for a property management company or anyone that has financial or performance data in Airtable. So here's the Airtable data that I am using, and I want to get it into a slide deck that looks like this. My report is short, it just has 2 pages. And the second page is where I usually have to copy and paste all of the stats for my rental properties into the slide deck. I'm going to use SlideForm to automatically fill this out for any given property that I select. So the first thing you need to do is create a template for your slide deck. And here's the template. You'll notice that I replace all the numbers with placeholders that are enclosed in curly braces like this. This tells me that this information is going to be pulled in from a data source, in this case, my Airtable. I go ahead and replace all of those with placeholders. I also replace my logo with placeholder in case I need to swap that out when my branding changes. And I put in the property name and the year as placeholders as well. Then let's jump over to SlideForm. Here's my SlideForm account, and you can see that I have a bunch of different project templates saved, and I can filter quickly to the ones for my vacation rentals business. Here's the one I want to use today. Let's jump in and look at how the data are mapped from Airtable into the presentation. I enter my Google slide deck as a template here, and then I map the property name and all of the other placeholders to come from my Airtable. I simply select the name of the column from Airtable inside of SlideForm, and the data are linked up. I can also set up drop-downs where the user can select the information they want to from a drop-down, or even have a more complex lookup, like you can see here for total bookings. I'm pulling the data from Airtable from the column called total bookings, but I'm also filtering the data by the property name and the year that I've input into SlideForm. So let's see how this works. We'll go back, find the project I'm using. Let's click Generate. The first thing I have to do is select the property name and then the year. And now SlideForm is pulling the data from Airtable and filling in all the placeholders in my slide deck. And now the output has been generated. We can see a preview here on the screen. Make sure that all the formatting is correct. And then I'm going to save that as a Google slide deck. And you can see the Google slide deck right here. Let's click into it and check out the output. So our deck is created and all of the data is filled in for us automatically. This is a simple example with just one slide of data, but you can do much more complex use cases. So why don't you contact us over at slideform.co, and we can give you a custom demo and even a free trial. Thanks.